Okay, so I got the exhaust in. If you didn't see my last video, I bought a Mopar Performance catback for my 2010 Challenger. If you want to watch the last video, I kind of went over what was going on with the mystery box. The good news is it fit perfectly. Everything worked out really well. Old exhaust over there. Pretty much just slapped right in. The only issue I came across, and it's really not an issue, is the pipes going into the X pipe weren't exactly round, or it was part of the muffler that wasn't round, so it wouldn't slide, nicely into that piece. So I just took a clamp and just kind of crimped it around to make it perfectly round. Once I got that done, everything just kind of slid together. It's super dark and super raining, so I really can't get into a sound video to give you what it sounds like, but I figured I'd at least update you. But no more of the rear muffler. Came out really good. The tips look awesome. Everything just worked out really well. So if anybody's interested in this catback exhaust, the one I talked about, model number P5155283, it's going to work on the 2010. This particular one said for 2009 to 2010, but you'll see the same exact part number for 2014s. It just worked, and it really worked well. And this one said it was just for automatic transmissions, and I don't know why it said that. It was no problem. I guess the only thing I'm a little disappointed in, it didn't make that much difference in volume. Now, I'll make a video before and after with cold start. Not that much louder. If I would have went with the Borla, I think I was going to go with the S-Type. Probably would have sounded a little louder. This is more like a Borla, I don't even know what their entry-level performance or something like that. Just a step above the factory exhaust. So it's not really loud. It does give it a real nice rumble under a load. A little deeper tone, but it is what it is. It's installed now and I'm not changing it. So great exhaust. It works great. Looks great underneath there. However, it's not the loudest thing in the world. So if you want a really loud exhaust, I would probably try to stay away from the Mopar Performance. But like I said, I just put this one on there because I'm trying to keep everything Mopar. I'm kind of anal about that. So I hope this helps somebody. I wish I would have had this video, but I really didn't. So it was a guessing game. And yeah, once I get some video of a cold start, I will give you a side-by-side the sound difference. And like I said, it's not huge. Thanks for watching.